Hello everybody, Stuart from Content Villain here. I just wanted to make a quick video going over some of the new features and new developments that we've been having at Content Villain. I hope you're all getting used to the new dashboard. It's very good to get all the feedback and all the suggestions on how we can continue to improve it. So if you do have any, please do let us know. We love to continue to improve everything. So if we go into a document view, you'll notice we have added one more icon here, which is AI links for simple writing. You can also get to this by hitting tools and going down to AI links. So there's two ways that you can get to this. And what this will do is it will load up a bunch of different options that you can choose, and it's just words to sort of take your content in a different direction. It's good to use this before you use the write for me button. So, for example, this could not be further from the truth if I was just to delete that full stop there and I was to put however. Yeah, it's going to add the however there. And then if I wanted to write on this, we can change our settings on what we want it to look like. And we can hit write for me. And it's going to add content to the end of what we had. So that's pretty cool. So we've got, however, as text expands can be used to perform in different functions. Let's take a look at just a few of them. So faster typing. So then it goes on to do faster typing. So you can see how this blog structure has started to form. And you'll see as well something new at the bottom here. We have these write for me settings. You can click on this and you'll see a pop-up like this. And you'll see we have different settings: story writing, blog writing, sales writing, press release, factual content. And if we go into each of these, it's going to open up some subcategories that you can choose. We've got a bunch of different story writing. We have a few different blog options, and we have different sales copy and more and more. And we can add more to this at any time. So if there's anything specifically that you're looking to get out of your writing, then you can just let us know and we can add that for you. And it's going to be very useful. So you'll see at the moment I had it set on promotional blog writing. So when I used that write for me, then it took that in mind. And you might be wondering, what is the reason behind doing this? And I figure that we try and sort of give you a higher level on what's going on with AI. So I'll explain that for you. When we had the write for me button before, it's just using a blank canvas of AI, of an NLP model. So it's taking all of your text, it's shoving that in, and then we're just hitting the generate and seeing what's coming out. So there was no instructions, nothing on top of that to really shape it in any way. So with these write for me settings now, we're actually giving the AI deeper instructions on the type of content that you're trying to produce. And by narrowing that down into blog posts, story writing, press releases, factual content, etc., you're going to get a better output than ever before. So what this is doing is it's taking that information and it's telling the AI how it should behave. And over time, we're going to continue to improve this. We're going to continue to make this better. And we're going to provide more and more options to really narrow down to the type of content that you like to use when you are using Content Villain. So that is super cool. It's super fun and something that we will continue to improve. So these features are live now. Go ahead and play with them. We'd love to sort of get your feedback. And the final thing that I want to do is I want to open a new tab and show some of the other stuff we've been going on. So documentation, I showed this before, but we're very much into making this as thorough and as in-depth as possible. So now we have all of this information on the dashboard, everything that you can do from the dashboard. And we also have the documents, everything that you can do from the top navigation, and we're going to be adding more on the right sidebar, so you can see exactly what you need to do, what all these features are, what's going on. Notepad is something that we have, which is very strong, which it's worth looking into. So there is a ton of stuff here for you, and as we continue to make it better, this documentation is just going to get better and better. And it's the same with the API documentation that we have. So we've added more endpoints now, and we're going to continue to add endpoints every single sort of week going forward. We've got the email detective stuff. We've got some of the rephrases here, and we have all of the ideas stuff now live. And what we've been adding as well is how you can create blog instructions with the API, how you can create sections with the API, and how you can create conclusions with the API. So by doing a bunch of these, you could get a whole blog post just by using the API. And if you wrap that with the blog ideas, which is coming soon, then you're going to have something very, very powerful. So that is some of the things that we've been working on. Stay tuned. There's a lot more still to come. There's a lot of things that we're still sort of bringing to market. And we're super pumped for the future. If you want to try out Content Villain, go to contentvillain.com today. We'd love to have you on board and to help you with your AI needs. We have a very specific focus on customization and helping people with real business use cases. So, we'd love to help you with that. Thank you.